Welcome to the Orchard Hotel, where Vision Commercial Kitchen's recent redesign has dramatically transformed the arrival experience. Previously, the hotel's bar was hidden from view upon check-in, sometimes leading to a bottleneck in the lobby and even causing congestion on the external steps during peak times. Tasked with creating a more welcoming and functional space, we created a design with an undeniable wow factor. Observe the new bar. We've rotated the bar 90 degrees from where it was originally to increase its visibility from the lobby, and now it's a striking focal point that guests simply can't ignore. The strategic change not only enhances the aesthetic, but cleverly redirects foot traffic, promising a smoother, more enjoyable welcome for every guest. And now moving on from our design, the Orchard's vision became a reality. Stepping into the physical space, the stunning vertically roofed MDF exterior immediately captures the attention. Enhanced by LED lighting integrated beneath the white granite countertop, creating a subtle wave effect. This simple yet elegant touch crafts an inviting ambiance, seamlessly linking the hotel lobby with the enticing promise of the restaurant just beyond. Behind the scenes, efficiency is key. Notice how the dedicated warewashing area, featuring reliable equipment supplied by Miko, is positioned to reduce traffic congestion for the bar staff. As the main service area comes into view, the 3 double jockey stations are an example of our intelligent design, maximizing output within this compact space and allowing for multiple bartenders to swiftly serve guests. While you currently see 4 taps on the beer heads, the underlying structure has been future-proofed to accommodate up to 6 on each, significantly increasing the service capacity. Expert fabrication supplied by CED is evident in the seamless stainless steel work, particularly highlighted by the continuous curves on the interior of the bar, a true testament to the quality of their work on this project. Looking across the full expanse of the bar, the increased capacity is clear. Where temporary mobile bar solutions were once needed during peak times, this future-proof design, with its multiple well-appointed jockey stations and the potential for increased beer taps, now ensures a smooth and efficient service, even during the busiest periods. And as you can see, it is a truly beautiful space to enjoy. We can let these visuals speak for themselves.